Captain, a steady ankle keeps us balanced on the rolling deck. Trim the sails and master ankle before the next reef. Meaning 1. The joint between the foot and the leg. Ankle is the joint where your foot meets your leg. Example, she hurts her ankle on the wet deck. Common use, sprain your ankle, swollen ankle, break an ankle. Meaning 2. Depth up to the ankles, ankle deep. Ankle appears in phrases to show shallow depth, ankle-deep water, snow, or mud. Example, the beach path is ankle-deep with water after the tide. Common use, ankle-deep water, ankle-deep snow, mud up to your ankles. Meaning 3. Used before another noun to name short height items. Ankle can come before a noun to describe item length or style, like ankle socks or ankle boots. Example, she buys ankle socks for the long hike. Common use, ankle socks, ankle boots, ankle bracelet. Keep your footing, Captain. Pick the ankle answers that keep us upright in the swell.
They'll speak with grace and code.
3, 2, 1.
They'll speak with grace and code.
3, 2, 1.
They'll speak with grace and code.
3, 2, 1.
Great balance, Captain. Secure your ankle, secure the voyage. Call the next word, and we'll stride onto the next island together.